Hello, welcome ladies and gentlemen. It's PTG on the mic. Today we're not gonna play much. Sungura, I saw the room was 1, 2, 3. I am about to ready. So, have you ever thought, throughout life that, I think I've received enough training. I think I'm ready to go. Have you ever thought? Came to me not once. We can never learn enough on this thing. We can never learn enough. First time, when I thought I was almost there, I had to drop that percentage to down there, way bottom down, So, what am I trying to say here? We need to practice. If we want to be good on this instrument, we need to practice. We need to be serious. We need to be like common sense on the instrument. So yeah, that's what I'm just trying to say here. It's practice. We need to practice. We need to practice every day. Even if you're not every day, if you're not busy, but try to squeeze in that free time to, practice. I want to use this. I want to use myself as an example. And that way, I can shoot somebody that's 1, 2 times a day. You know what I'm trying to say. But then, reality comes. Reality checks in, and then I told myself, you know what, man, I'm dropping that percentage again now. Even so, the only good thing to do from there is to try to raise that, that bar up again. So that's what I'm saying. We need to practice. So to all the beginners out there, but seriously, I'll be posting a lot. So we'll be doing that. Thank you for watching. About this a moment of time. Until I speak to the mic, check. See you in another video.